said you was here for life.
Alrighty, it is, I don't know what time it is, but it doesn't really matter because it is Texas time. We are getting ready to roll out. I'm taking my car this time. We have a long time ahead of us. I don't have my makeup done, but I do have my lashes.
Big drip, what you call it? Big drip, big drip. Ice giant fill water. Ice, ice, ice. You got the cap, can't afford hurricanes. You got the bag, can't afford shit.
Yo, you be okay. Just don't leave, okay. Baby, lead the way. Accurate with him. Edible arrangement, free flowers. I was in the trenches, yeah, I need a blessing. Couldn't get into good school, I was getting rejected, no.
Hopefully I'll scratch and win. This is $100 scratch off, and this one is a $50 scratch off. So I won $150. I am in Nashville, Tennessee, and that door, what the hell? Looks like a haunted door. It just opened on its own. Like, what the fuck? I know y'all saw that. Time to get out of here. It is 1:24. Getting a little tired, I can say. Stopped and got some Hardee's. The lady obviously hooked me up with the onion rings. There's hella onion rings. And I got a burger and some apple pie. Made it to Arkansas.
First time being in Arkansas.
Oh, bathrooms look like cabins. Okay. Made it to Arkansas. I am so tired. I'm getting ready to take a little nap. And then 6 more hours to go. West Memphis. And we gotta go all the way down here to Texas. Arkansas River. This is the Arkansas River. Right here.
Me, it ain't into dress. Cut on my wrist. Cut on my bitch. Cut on my wrist. Cut on my bitch. Cut on my wrist. Cut on my wrist. This shit already done picked up the phone. We on a regular line, nigga. I can't talk to you, nigga.
Finally in Texas. Yes. I made it to Texas. That's funny. Don't mess with Texas.
Don't mess with Texas.
There's your Texarkana. Made it to Texas. Texas. Huh? What'd you say? Look at my flat tire. Oh my god. Out of all the days, you guys. Well, see you back in action soon, Camaro. Look at horsies. You're beautiful. I love my room though. That's for sure. It's like I have my little bedroom little area, and then I have like a living room that's like right off of it. Sulphur Springs, I definitely haven't got a great experience of you. That's for sure. Get this thing back on the road and it's off to Dallas. All right, the car is back rolling. I can't believe it. Look, everybody's losing tire. Poor tire.
Freedom lanes, go get the money, it ain't nothing else important to me. Nah, I showed her a Xanax, she hurry up and took it. I fucked her so good, she got up and started cooking. Rolling up big blunts out a pound of cooking. Yeah, hand me a lighter, man. Yeah.
Oh, look, that's Valero.
I'm in a booth right now, right?
Potts Farm and Ranch. Okay now. Okay. $7.50 all day buffet. Hope it's good. Well, here's the smallest China buffet I've ever been to in my life. Literally one bar. Okay, no, that's not working either. Well, as of now, the best thing here is this. The water. Okay. 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 Well. Made it out alive, I must say. Chinatown Chinese buffet in Terrell, Texas is the nastiest Chinese food I think I've ever had in the history of living. The noodles were dry. The soup tastes like piss. Yeah.
You can be them all. Y'all know something crazy. Now this kid drop it and I beat it on.
God, this is a rough ride. There better be a beach out here. I used to really like this song. A lot. I just want to hear it for a second though. I got a pocket full of sunshine. Yep. It's supposed to be a beach. Oh. Wow. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. We did make it somewhere. It's definitely a beach area, all right. Well, a little sleepy. It looks filthy. I'm not getting in that water. Where are we? We're in Wacko Beach. I don't know how to pronounce it. But as you can see, it's not much of a sight. And it's freezing. So we're gonna get back in the car because I have to pee. We gotta find bathrooms ASAP. Well, this is Wacko Beach. That's like, they need to rename it Wacko Beach because of how whack it is. There's nothing. It is. That's it.
Horses in the back.
Okay, so this is where the gas station scene took place. There's a door that she got into. That is so creepy looking. Oh my god. And there's people standing there too. Oh, there goes the cabins that we were talking about. Definitely no. That would have to be a group trip, y'all. Shit.
Just give me where you never give nobody do.
Okay. Have plenty of time on our hands. Okay. I can get jiggy with this. It's decent. There's definitely this balcony. Like, I didn't even know I was gonna have a balcony. It's real chill. They gave me a little chair. The pool area. The highway is over there. I really like it though. It's a nice little peaceful little spot. We are getting ready to head, I guess, to get something to eat because we haven't ate today. I just got done doing a tattoo earlier. I will insert a little clip because I forgot to film while I did that. And then we're going to try to go to the mall or try to go to downtown Houston. So
Cause I know he's dead. Ain't no survival when you shoot a nigga right in his head.
yes, what is this? I need it right now. Maybe some bamboo shoots and some onion. Mine came out pretty good. Hello, leggings. It's cold up in this mall. Look, their Forever 21 has a Barbie collection. You see? Ooh, where do I begin? Come on, it's all the way up. That's so funny. Who's gonna go first? Oh shit, one down.
You know I'm just a servant, I'ma stick 'em up. Bitch, give me everything. Give me fuck love. I never been my enemy to watch his mama cause everybody die. I'm a demon in disguise, you can see it in my fucking eyes. Mama say, why did you grow up this done, got to let everybody die.
It's too much. It's too much for me. It's too much. I'm Houston. Stop it. Stop it.
Making mistakes. Mama say, why did you grow up this?
It is absolutely beautiful. So street of trees. It's gorgeous. This is a birthday cardi instead of party. Yeah, I don't get that one. Because there's the You Slay, Beyonce, and Texas, y'all. It would be dope to just have like some nice food and chill out here on a late summer night. It's a little chilly tonight, but I definitely wouldn't mind coming back, grabbing some lunch, chilling out here. You know, it'd be pretty nice. Oh, okay. Wait. Right here, see? Haiti has a pole. Haiti has a pole. Okay, no, definitely not. To the turkey hut? Are you sure you want the turkey hut? I mean, it's so crazy. They're already in the line looking at the menus. Okay, yeah. The Breakfast Club. So we decided to just, well, yeah, go on and eat here. The line isn't as long as the turkey hut. Actually, the line has gotten shorter since we circled around. Yeah, the line is so long. The menu is outside. So I got the chicken and the waffles, Belgian waffle, and I got a side of potatoes. I really like potatoes, and grits, eggs and cheese scrambled, white toast, and the bacon. We've been sharing and eating back and forth because it's just a lot of food, but so far it is delicious. I absolutely love it. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Okay, texture mat. Well, it cleaned the car. The mall's closing, so they just hooked us up with hella food.
$7.57.
Oh my god. It's fire. Okay, so we are checking out of this hotel. I got my computer with me. As you can see, I'm downloading all these files to my video because I'm gonna edit it while I'm in the car. So, goodbye, hotel. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss the balcony that I had. Until next time.
Off that east nasty, but don't put nothing past me. Now I got the pussy and the power if you ask me. The way she work, ay, always puts me first, ay. And I know I've been around, but I swear you got the best on earth. Yeah. I got drip on the floor and it's getting nasty. He ain't keeping his hands up off my arrow cheeks. I got something to give him, and if he asks me,
I just rather chase a check. Man, this shit so crazy. See my idol with a fake protect. I just sent my bitch to borrow, cost me 80 racks. I know one bitch asked me for a flight, but she ain't 80
Bye, Houston. It was real.
rather chase a